Industrial engineering, work study, time study. This is a discipline that provides answers to questions such as: how quickly should management expect their staff to work? How much time should staff be allowed to carry out these tasks? How much time is utilized or wasted when the staff is carrying out these tasks? The answer to these and similar questions relies on the principles of work study, which is defined as the systematic examination of activities in order to improve the effective use of human and other material resources. Methods time measurement, known by the acronym MTM, is a predetermined motion time system that is used to analyze the work methods to perform any manual operation or task, and, as a product of that analysis, set the standard time for which a worker should complete that task. MTM does not make use of a stopwatch or time study and therefore negates the need for pace rating. The original MTM system was developed in the United States in the 1940s by filming and studying a large number of industrial work processes. The result led to the definition of basic motions and the calculation of the time needed to perform these basic motions, which was published in the book Methods Time Measurement in 1948. The system is still in use today in mass production applications and is commonly referred to as MTM-1. Subsequently, several higher-level MTM systems, such as MTM-SD, MTM-UAS, MTM-MEK, MTM Office System, and MTM Logistics were developed specifically for fields of batch production, one-of-a-kind manufacturing, administration, and logistics applications. All these systems are based on the fundamentals of MTM-1 and offer engineers a much faster way to create standards in these fields of application. Performance at 100% of MTM standards is described in the book Methods Time Measurement as being the equivalent of the much discussed fair day's work. It is to represent the effort level that could easily be maintained year in and year out by a physically normal and adequately trained operator without requiring the operator to draw upon their reserves of energy. With MTM, companies have the ability to determine process times as well as materials and personnel requirements during the planning, production, and improvement phases. This significantly increases productivity, lowers unit costs, improves product quality, and at the same time contributes to improved ergonomics and occupational health. For more information and contact details, please visit mtmproductivity.com.